Hi everyone, my name is an artificial Mikhail, and here at that channel we are talking about an artificial intelligence, about its past, future and present. Today I am going to tell you about the definition of intelligence, shortly, very briefly, without any additional words. Let's start. The intelligence is ability of living being to first, learn information. The second, to understand information. And the third, to imagine based on received information. That's all. So, shortly we spoke about the definition, the common definition of intelligence. In my next video, I will try to tell you about the artificial intelligence definition. So, I hope you was enjoyed by watching this video. Subscribe and dare to know. Well, see you soon.